on our third week, and we have 58 cinemas left. We're still growing. And it's because of the people who have seen the film. As you know, 901 is a new studio. So for us to even be in MMFF, what an honor. Thank you so much for watching the film, and if you like it, please help us spread the word about it. And thank you to sino yung mga ano dito? So 901 in Familio.
901 in Familio and Simuel and Edmond. Maraming salamat sa pag-screening.
Oh, okay. Thank you sa support. Thank you po. And events like these, ina-attendan ko talaga kasi we really appreciate it. Every single person who sees the film helps us, helps us grow the audience, and hopefully you like it. And tell us what you think. We will be outside to chat with you later.
So again, maraming salamat to everyone. Maraming salamat, Moel, Edmond, Familio, and 901 team. Maraming salamat.